Hi, in this next chapter, we're going to talk to you about sort of common pregnancy complaints and how you can target them using some food choices and differences. So, I hear women coming to me all the time talking about pregnancy complaints. And obviously, it's easy just to give medications for some of them, but there are some real food choices and decisions that you can make that can make a difference. So, what's one of the common ones? Leg cramps. Oh, those awful leg cramps that people come to complain about. That it can be when you're lying down in bed. And that's related to the blood flow in the muscles in the calves. So, what can we do to improve that? First of all, think about massage. Also, think about walking. But then also think about what dietary things can you take that help to improve blood flow. One of them is high dose beetroot, really, really important because it's got nitrates in it that promote blood flow and also magnesium as well. The other thing that people don't realise is that when you're a bit low in iron, it affects blood flow because you haven't got as much oxygen carrying capacity. So again, a boost of your iron can be really helpful. So we've got this wonderful energy capsule just over here that contains beetroot. It also has iron, B12 and folate to really promote that and help with that blood flow and production of blood so that it helps to minimise your leg cramps. So really, really good. And that energy capsule's also really good for tiredness. So again, women complain a lot about tiredness. A lot of it is sometimes because of that boost of iron or B12 or folate that's also needed to produce our blood cells. A lot of people don't realize and focus just on the iron, but the energy capsule has a combination of all of those to be able to support you in your energy needs. And then what's the other complaint that women complain about is heartburn. So really, this is due to the relaxin hormone, which means that the top of the stomach isn't tight like this. Sorry.
Start again as you do that.
Are you making noise? I do it
Start
like
again with the heartburn. Another.
okay. So another common complaint is heartburn, and this is to do with the relaxin hormone and the progesterone just making the top of the stomach looser, and so the acid from the stomach can track back up. So what can we do to reduce that acid level? So obviously there are common things that you can buy over the counter, like Rennies and Gaviscon, and you can be prescribed something like omeprazole. But you can also consider taking probiotics, which can work quite well for some women to help neutralize the acid by having the right balance of bacteria in the gut. And we've got the Protect capsule that you can consider using that may help you with that. Another common complaint is really around feeling joint aches and pains. And the collagen range that we have, particularly for pregnancy, we source collagen peptides from scientific studies or laboratories that were looking at aching bones from a medical perspective. So it's a medical grade collagen. So really good at ensuring that your ligaments and bones stay strong. And together we added in vitamin C, which is important for the collagen to be integrated into the bone. It helps to form that really nice strong matrix. And also added in vitamin D, really vital for you not to get bone aches and pains. I myself was low in vitamin D when I was pregnant, and it was absolutely awful until it was treated. People could end up with chest bony pain, pelvic pain as well. And we know that all the pelvic pain in pregnancy dramatically reduced when we had national guidance which said women should be supplemented with vitamin D of at least 1,000 international units every day. And so we have that within our collagen range. The other complaints that people sometimes complain about are things like bleeding gums as well. And we know that collagen really supports with that health of that. And other common complaints are mood. So let's come on to mood as our final one. So mood, we talked a bit in the other chapter about gut health. Really affected by gut health now, we know, because the bacteria within your gut lining are the main sort of workhouse or the factory to produce your serotonin, which is your mood hormone. So your gut health must be optimized to help your mood. We also know vitamin D is your precursor. It's one of the building blocks to make your lovely happy hormone serotonin. So if you're low in vitamin D, it leads to more anxiety and also depression. So really important that you have that. And now the other thing that we now know about is choline is also linked in with mood. We know it was really important for structures in the brain, such as hippocampus, which is about memory and so forth. But we know it also is really important for just really forming those neural networks which support good mood processes. So would really encourage for all women who are really challenged by mood to consider taking that. The omega-3 I have mentioned also works with choline and can really, really support mood also. So there you go. So you've got a combination of things that can, and some tips that can help treat some of those common pregnancy complaints and symptoms. And if you want to know more, just check us out on our Instagram handle at Pure Mama, or check us out on our website and our blog, where we've got lots of fantastic advice from our clinical experts who are composed of leading doctors. Thank you so much.